это спрятать, чтобы не видел. Давай я буду вот это вот держать. And this we put inside. Like this. That's it. Yeah, like this. Oh, nice. Okay. Хочу прям specifically Prada black. I just didn't see who else, like what other brands did it. You know, so I gave up on it. But then when I saw Sabrina's purse, я такая, смотрю, nice purse. Я такая, like, где ты взяла? Я такая думаю, где ты взяла, блин, Prada? Такая смотрю, and then I see it's Guess, and I'm like, oh, okay. Makes sense.
Можно Prada значок.
Да, помнишь, который ты послала?
Найти, этот откорябывается.
But who cares? They did such a good job. I don't care if it's Guess.
Oh, it's good quality.
It's good, it's nice.
Так раньше я только в Guess
Да.
Yeah. And they were so nice. The once I had like a black Guess purse, it was so nice. Даже Julia she liked it.
Like before, all those brands, like Guess was like the shit. You know? Oh, look, my job.
My job.
Fuck. Me neither. I don't want to come here. Really don't. Like, even when I pass by here, I get so depressed.
Yeah, me too. Sometimes you should drive like to
I
the place
know, I
and
know.
pass by here.
But like, sometimes I take Uber from Navit to my place and they do that tour because of the constructions and they pass by here like early in the morning and I'm like, oh, look at that, I'm going to work. But I'm going to work to my place. Finally. Ну, знаешь, это хорошие покупки. Like,
Yeah.
эти очки, you're gonna keep them until like next year or the year after, for a couple of years. It's not like they look really good on you. Like I tried them on me, it doesn't suit my face.
Like me, it's very like it has to be very simple.
I mean, if you think about it, they're all simple, but you just have to pick a pair that matches your face shape, because we have different face shape, you know. У меня очень такое длинное, овальное, поэтому мне нужны такие, а у тебя чуть-чуть как клубничка. It is. Оно такое. So yeah, so you need something here that is like different.
Я ни разу не одевала такого цветочка. Так они даже сидят хорошо.
Да, да. That's true, you never do that.
А эти Ralph Lauren ты давно уже купила, они все правда.
Yeah, they're at David's place, I have to take them back there.
They're so good.
Yeah.
Когда ты like Michael Jackson shoes.
Michael Jackson shoes. Oh, they were so good.
Они бата Safari shoes.
Yeah. But you know, the way that I walk, they don't last, you know. That's why I don't want to buy like expensive shoes. Like if I buy Louis Vuitton, that's it. Can I wear them once?